What's going on, Home Chef? Today's episode, we have compound butter, herb butter. Whatever name you want to use, you need some in your fridge. Compound butter provides a little kick to regular butter. Whenever you need to cook something that calls for butter or oil, you can use compound butter. Here are 3 simple compound butter recipes that will provide the extra flavor to your favorite dish. You will need 1 stick of unsalted butter. The butter needs to be really soft. Let your butter sit out at room temperature for 2 to 3 hours, depending on the room temperature. Don't put your butter in the microwave to help the process. You want the butter to be soft enough so you can shape and stir the butter later on. We will need some fresh herbs to make the compound butter. Chop up 5 tablespoons of chives and 4 tablespoons of fresh parsley. First up, we have chive compound butter. To the soft butter, add 1 tablespoon of fresh chives, 2 teaspoons of fresh parsley, a half teaspoon of minced garlic, some black fresh pepper, a half a teaspoon of salt. Mix to combine. You want to spread the mixture out on parchment paper. You want to shape the mixture into a log or the shape of a stick of butter. Next up, we have the OG of compound butter, maitre d' butter. To make this, you need 1 and 1/2 tablespoons of parsley, a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, a half a teaspoon of fresh lemon juice, and some black pepper. Mix to combine and roll up just like before. Oh yeah, you should write the name of the butter on the outside of the paper. Last one is one of my favorites, Dijon mustard compound butter. You'll need 1 tablespoon of parsley, a half a teaspoon of fresh thyme, salt, and 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. My favorite brand is Maya. Maya, in my opinion, is the best Dijon mustard. If you see it in the store, you should buy it and try it. When you're done, place all the butter in the freezer for 8 hours or overnight. As you can see, the butter is solid and you can see the herbs. If you have smell-o-vision, you can smell the herbs inside the butter. You can keep this butter in your freezer for up to 4 months. Just take it out when you need it.